I was wrong. Iba siya. Ako kasi to see is to believe. Ayun pala siya. Nilalabas niya from inside going out. Ganun pala ang ashes. My name is Merel Jobson. I'm a franchise consultant, a business center owner based in Caloocan, and a single mother as well. Siyempre, being a single mother, it will take you anything. We will do whatever it takes to provide the needs for our family. And kasama dyan yung pagtatrabaho ng kung ano-ano. Until such time, I worked as a call center agent and a virtual assistant. Sa umaga, tulog. Sa gabi, gising. And minsan hindi po natin maiiwasan na makasama tayo sa inuman after shift. So for 4 years, doing unhealthy living, nagkaroon po ako ng UTI. Nagkaroon po ako ng uneven skin tone, pale skin tone, due to my low blood pressure. Weaker body. At saka, I remember, nagustuhan ko yung idea ng work from home. Bakit? Diba? During the pandemic. Kasi nakakatipid ako. Alam mo yun, 8 hours of sitting down, after that, higa ka na lang. Hindi ka na naaarawan, hindi ka na nakakatayo. So, because of that, I gained more weight. Mas lalo akong naging mahina. And dumating naman sa point that I was thinking away kung paano ako makakaalis sa ganong health condition ko. And by 2022, February, na-meet ko si Supremacy International Corporation at nakilala ko si Ashley Tama. Ang first impression ko, natawa ako kasi I thought it was a similar product that I was selling before. But from the moment na natry ko ang Ashley Supreme, I was wrong. Iba siya. Nagulat ako kasi ang sarap. Yung tamis at asim niya, ang sarap pa sa lalamunan, lalo na pag nangangati. Malayo siya sa expectations ko na akala ko pag mga healthy drinks, mapakla, malambat siya yung consistency. Pero with Ashley Supreme, no, it's different. That day, wala akong naramdaman. So, the day after tomorrow, ayun na, maaga po akong pumunta sa toilet. Ako kasi to see is to believe. At nakita ko, iba yung kulay niya. Ayun pala siya. Nilalabas niya from inside going outside. Ganun pala ang Ashley Supreme. Okay, and after taking couple of boxes, alam mo yung ini-intake ko siya during my presentation, even after my presentation, nagkakaroon na po ako ng energy, more time din to do other stuff, indoor activities. Yung skin ko, mas healthier na siya, hindi na po siya dry, hindi na siya pale. At ang nakakatuwa dun, yung bowel movement ko po, naging consistent na. And syempre, as a mother, I want my son to do the same, to drink Ashley Supreme. One time nga, instead na soft drinks ang iserve ko during my mother's 69th birthday, Ashley Supreme na po yung aking inihanda at aming ininom. As a distributor, as a business center owner, if I want to push my product, I have to be the user as well. I choose to include Ashley Supreme in my daily routine. Actually, night routine ko po siya before I go to bed. I prefer it hot sometimes. Most of the time, cold. Mas masarap talaga siya pag malamig during the hot days. I encourage everyone as well to include Ashley Supreme, in your daily detox. Sa lahat po ng nanonood, that the best gift that we can give to ourselves or to our family is being healthy, eating the right foods, doing exercise, and drinking the right drinks, the right supplement like Ashley Supreme. And again, I'm very thankful for Supremacy International for introducing me to Ashley Supreme. Again, my name is Merel Jobson. Welcome to Supreme Life.